Hello, in the previous video we successfully created a new subscription for this website, and we also managed to change the name servers to point to this new server. We also downloaded a backup of the files and the database from the previous hosting provider. And in this video I'm going to upload the files, import the new database, and make sure that the website is running from our new server. So right now we have a blank page with the word hello when we check the domain in the browser. So we need to go Files first. We can get rid of this index.html file. We don't need it anymore. Here we have to upload the website files that we downloaded in the previous video. So let's click here, Upload File. We have to wait until it's uploaded. Let's extract the file. The files have been extracted. Let me remove the zipped file. Next, we need to create a database. Here we need to add a name for the database. We need to assign it to a website. We also need a database username and password. Here you can select an access control from these three options. The Allow local connections only means that only applications and services running on the same server can connect to this database. Since the website and the database is both on the same server, this option will work for us. And I'll choose this option since this is the most secure. The Allow remote connections from any host means that any computer or server on the internet can connect to this database. And the last one, Allow remote connections from. And here we can specify an IP address, domain, or IP ranges. It means that only computers or servers with the specified IP address can connect to this database. So basically this option is more secure than the second one. So if you know that you need to access your database from a specific IP address, then you can just enter it here. But for this website, I will choose the first option. So I will just quickly create my database. These are my database details. Of course, I'm going to change this later. Make sure you take a note of this information. Click OK to create the database. The database has been created and now we can access it via phpMyAdmin, and we can import the data from the database backup that we created earlier. So let's go to phpMyAdmin, select the database and click Import. Add the database backup file. Click Import. The database has been imported successfully. We can close phpMyAdmin. And if we go back and refresh the page, we should receive a database connection error. But we are getting an internal server error instead. We need to find out why. We should receive a database connection error because we haven't changed the database credentials in the wp-config.php file yet. So let's get back to Plesk and see what's causing this error. We have to go to Logs. And here we can see that we have an Apache error, and it's caused by the htaccess file. We have a sec rule not allowed here message. Now that we know where the error comes from, let's go and check the htaccess file. I am using the Disable XML RPC plugin, and it seems that plugin adds this sec rule part to the htaccess. Let's just remove this part. Later we can disable XML RPC from the WP toolkit from Plesk anyway. And the internal server error now should go away. And it did. So let's update the database credentials in the WP config file. Let's save this, and now the website should work. And that's it. This is how you can migrate your WordPress website. And in the next video, we will continue looking at the most important features of Plesk. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.